How to log out from Varagesale. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can log out from Varagesale. So kindly watch to the end. The first step is to log in into your Varagesale account, just like I have done here. You can see your community at the top part of the screen. You can see field, categories, discussion, etc. Once you can see this, by the time you scroll down, you'll see different items, different stuff that you can get on your Vericel account. And then at the lower part of the screen, you can see five icons, right? Namely the home icon, notification, post, inbox, and then the profile icon. Once you can see this, the next option or the next thing for you to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon, which is located by the lower right corner of the screen. So once you click on that, you'll be brought to your profiles page where you can see your profile picture, your name, city, etc. By the time you scroll down, you'll see the option settings, right? So just go ahead and click on it that way. Now, after clicking on settings, you'll be brought to the settings page. On this page, scroll down and you will see the option logout. Right, it's very simple. Just click on logout, and then just like that, you'll be logged out of your account. Okay, it is very simple. Logging out of Varagesale is simple. Just follow the procedures shown in this video, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.